Actually, I'm gonna be enforcer as well.
Voilà, c'est parti.
Actually, no. Sorry. Okay, DDL versus Space Monkeys. What the fuck? Ah, fucking machine in my settings, hold on. Display settings, default, yes. There we go. Don't let him mic you.
Guys, stay at targets at the start. Don't get marked.
Yeah.
Give me cover!
Where you go?
I'm bringing claymores over here. Oh shit, oh shit, fucking no!
What the fuck?
Fucking stepped on claymore.
Tony, what the fuck?
Should I leave?
No.
No, because we are still gonna have minus 1000 even if you
Fucking hell. You gotta win the fucking points.
No, they are hosting, so they win.
Yeah. I don't know. It fucking jumped to the cover and it fucking switched the character like did a flip and fucking stepped on it.
To be honest, we can still win. It's just 1000 points.
Yeah,
if we do well
or
on the
win
next
both
round.
rounds. I don't know. Fucking hell. Yeah.
But if we give them more points now, we are fucked, you know.
We can get this 100 points to the other. Ouais, moi je pense qu'il faudrait rush, mais bon. On pourrait perdre plus de points aussi. Bah vas-y, venez, hein. Moi je suis devant les trucs, je suis en haut là où Tony il est mort au niveau du dôme. Let's try to rush, Jesse.
Well,
I need the help where
we
you
rush, they can get more points. If we can easily win them by 1000
Yeah.
points next round.
Yeah, just wait. We are winning this round if they don't capture the targets. Oh, cover resistance.
Oh shit.
Dean, cover him.
Dean, cover Jason.
He's there behind the last sandbags. Behind the last sandbags. On the right
Dean,
side.
I guess.
So far back sandbags. Watch out. You can kick him while you're in the box, but it puts your box away. Okay, that's good. Watch out behind the last sandbags. Behind the plate.
You where?
Yeah, behind the upload point next to the stairs.
Yeah, the
Cover
goal.
resistance.
Behind the goal.
On the rocks. Cover Jason now. On the rocks, right side Dean. Right side behind Dean. Behind. No. Child over there. Benji, no.
What? How is he getting all of you guys?
Oh shit. Luckily I didn't die more.
I need 2000 points now. I told you we should have camped.
Fucking not gonna use C fucking mines anymore.
We need a lot of points. Come to the warehouse, hangar. Put traps. Lot of traps. Lot of traps, guys.
What marks?
We need 2,000 points.
Yeah, I can't mark them, what the fuck? Here's the box. Lost his marker.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, how?
Well, they're gonna camp because they're late and we have to keep marking and we need 2,000 points. We need to choose one target and go there.
Or we could have 5 guys go to A and 1 guy grabs B. We get more points.
Well, let's do something because we already only have 2 minutes.
Yeah. Let's close up to A.
Yeah, let's go for today, guys.
Where was he?
D'accord.
We need lots of points, guys.
I can try to grab B. Ready to go? Let's go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Now it's raining. We gotta go. Fuck. 2 guys in B. Shit.
You're great.
I can't win if I saw it happen to Revenant yesterday. I mean today's tournament.
Comme d'hab. Putain, casse les couilles.
Robert, there was a suicide on the first round, so we were behind by 2,000 points.
Be quiet.
Yeah, no more claymores for me. I'm just gonna use grenades now. Yeah.
police. Check.
Yeah, yeah. Fuck yeah. Okay, now we have host advantage.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah, we don't need to move anyway. Good
Yeah,
scratch, guys.
just camp. And don't put
That's why they're
don't put
gonna rush.
mines.
Yeah. Nah, I put mine, but just
Yeah. Gonna go to
I'm
B.
going away.
I'm alone at B. Don't worry, I have
Les
mines.
bleus et rouges, Jason.
Stay in the box, guys.
Les tenues bleues et rouges. Ouais, tu peux, je crois. Toi, tu te mets là, moi je
Stay in the box.
Non. Who are on A, guys? Yeah, but Jesse, you are on A?
Yeah, I'm on A.
Just be 2 on A and the rest on the middle. Ouais, je sais. Moi je passe par le milieu. Ouais, voilà, c'est ce que je fais.
I think they won't move and they will just try to rush us the next round. But don't worry, we can get a lot of fun. Guys, anyone who has Intel 3 here?
No, Intel 1.
I have in the tree for the next round.
You wanna go to the tower then?
Yeah, maybe.
3 mark. Benji, stay in the box.
Reste là, Jason. Hein. Moi je vais un peu plus près de la cible.
Yeah, Robert, it's broken. It's been broken for months. In fact, since MGO started.
Watch yourself!
Both of the 6. What an enjoyable round.
Okay, I think that they're gonna rush.
They're gonna rush, guys. They're gonna
Yeah,
rush.
for sure.
3 marks from the tower, Tony, if you got it.
Are you talking about a tower on our left? Like the...
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Just rush there. And put some
Yeah.
traps on the stairs.
Oh,
and
okay,
then go.
okay, okay. I'm gonna go there.
Trap guy.
At the tower. No, I can't see anyone.
What the fuck? Wow, well, how the fuck did it go up? I wasn't even near. Get me up. What the fuck?
Je sais pas.
Fucking stupid ass buggy fucking sleeping mine.
Ah, putain.
They have to, otherwise they will lose.
Wait. Guys, where are the traps? You barely put any traps anywhere.
Yeah, on my
Mulla on niinku
left side,
striimi,
full
niin
of-
älä hirveesti tuu vitu. Jep. Alasti CnD.
Be careful, Tony. Be careful.
I have
And
a
you should
plushie
stay in
next
a
to me.
room, you can use binoculars.
Yeah, but I mean, if you sniper there, one bullet, you.
Tony, go inside the room.
Ils sont où, Jason?
Yeah, you
À
can
gauche?
use binoculars over the wall. If you just hug the wall and use
Okay.
binoculars.
What we do, guys?
No, there's no one there, all behind the fences. Behind the wall. Let's spam defeat.
Guys, stay at the back. As you can see, guys, ESL is very enjoyable. This is pretty much every cloak and dagger match in the entire championships has been exactly like this.
Yeah. Well, we
For
won.
some reason, Konami doesn't want to change the modes. They don't want to change the rules for the modes.
Shut your mouth! 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 Shut your mouth!
Victory! Damn, we are good, guys.
Yeah, good game.
Well done. Ah, voilà. Ah,
Do you guys want to attack them or do you guys want to camp the target?
I think we should
I don't know.
maybe camp on this round. I don't know, but they are.
Let's see, let's see. Ok.
Okay.
Ouais, on campe. On les attend. Bah non, si on campe les 2 rondes, on perd.
Guys, you can go on the right and use the mortars at the start if you wanna try it, but then just make
Viens,
sure you
Benji, on
don't
va sur la droite comme d'hab.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna try the mortar on the left side.
No, don't use
No.
the left side one.
Okay, okay.
They can mark
The
you.
middle one, yeah, okay. Or the right, oh, never mind, didn't remember that. Just so don't die.
Okay. Stay in the box, guys.
Yeah, don't get Mario, otherwise we need to run.
Guys, they're gonna camp the next round and they're gonna win 0-0.
Ouais, vas-y, on essaie. Dean, get out.
We should probably.
Let's try to rush them.
Do you have good amounts of traps on the target?
Yeah, I put it on the target. Three claymores.
Alright.
And Dean put C4.
Alright. Come on, guys.
Allez, go, on avance.
We going?
They're gonna camp next round. It's gonna be tough for us to beat them, so let's go. Yeah, just rush. Go! What the fuck you waiting on?
Yeah, go. Stick together, stick together.
Yeah, at the back of the map. Pretty good.
Somebody got marked.
Yeah,
Restore the plushies, let's go.
Let's do it too late.
I think they were camping all the way to the back. Okay, they're camping hard right now.
Faut vraiment qu'on prenne les cibles, les gars. Ça va être chaud.
They don't need to move now, we need to go.
On B. One on B.
Yeah, Robert, probably so.
Yeah, be much better.
You see at the start if you can mark them, and then after like 30 seconds you gotta go. Probably easier to get A than B.
Yeah, I think it's A is better.
Yep.
What?
Oh shit! Trying to shoot me at B.
Yeah.
Vas-y, j'essaie de te couvrir, je suis d'en bas là.
One marked.
Yeah, we need, they had 300 points, right?
Yeah, 300. We need 200 more right now. Oh, actually, 300. Yeah.
Yeah, 300 more points, guys.
Watch
Let's go.
yourself!
Come on, we
There's
got
one
2
guy
minutes.
over there. Oh fucking hell! Almost got him marked.
Enemy in sight!
Right behind that fence over there.
Come on, guys.
I think he's inside the house in B.
A. Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
No.
Some sniper inside A. Sniper inside A. He's right there, just on the... Just someone on your... Like on your left. Watch out. Yeah, he's throwing grenades, watch out.
Enemy in sight!
There's 20 seconds. Gotta capture targets or something. We need one stun and one target. Oh, what the fuck? Is that house? Watch out. Guys, go. 10 seconds, go. We are leading by 100. We need 200 more. Crap the disc. No, Dean, no, what? We won!
We won?
Yeah!
Yes!
Yeah, well done.
Fucking nice, was it Dean who got the last points? Yeah, easy.
Yeah. Bien joué les gars.
Easy
Well done.
job.
Space Monkeys 1, Doomsday Legion 2, very bad opponents.
Thank you.
Players MF2. Who else was playing?
En plus j'ai pris une clé mort, je suis même pas mort.
Very
Ah,
easy,
t'es pas
Robert.
mort.
Et non, je sais même pas pourquoi je suis pas mort. Avec la clé mort, elle m'a même pas fait de dégâts. Elle a explosé, elle m'a